Hey y'all, so Brandon left a comment that I should add the First Progress credit card onto my list of all the different credit cards that can pre-qualify you, or I can just give you a credit card. It's on my website, All Things Rickita. So I actually added it on. Thank you so much, Brandon, for letting me know to add that on. So let's go to my website and check it out. Now, the thing that I like about the First Progress is that they're not going to give you a hard inquiry. They're not going to do a hard pull. They're going to do a soft pull to verify your identity, but it's not going to be a hard pull. So what you want to do is you want to go to my website and you're going to come right here to popular links. This is all the popular links. You can scroll down some and see where it says credit card links. You can click right there. And then you'll see credit cards where it's bad credit. Okay, I'm going to put the secure credit cards in one section, but right now I don't have it. So bad credit, okay, the secure credit cards will be in there. So go down some. And then you can see it's the First Progress credit card. It's a secure credit card with no credit check. So that's good. Go ahead and click right there. Now, when you go to the First Progress website, you got to understand that they have multiple credit cards you guys can get. Now, a lot of people, they're going to go and try to get the one that has a low interest rate. So the interest rate for this one is going to be 10.74%. Now, I don't think you all should go and get that one there. It's a low interest rate, but they have an annual fee, and I don't like the annual fee being so high. So what I would suggest is that you all scroll down some and you all try to get this one here at the $29 annual fee. And the reason why I say that is because when it comes down to these secure credit cards or these credit cards in general, you all should not be holding a balance on these credit cards, because that's going to mess up your credit a lot of times, because a lot of you will think, oh, I just max it out, but I'll pay it off next month. That is going to drop your credit score so much when they report that high utilization to the credit bureaus, and they're going to be charging you interest. I don't want you all to be paying interest on these credit cards. I want you all to get these credit cards, like these secure ones, get them, keep the balance low, let them increase your credit score, and then I want you to go back to my website, All Things Rickita, and try to pre-qualify for other credit cards. So like I said, you can get any one that you want to, but if it was me, I would get this one here because they have a low annual fee, and you guys can keep this in your credit reports for 2 years and then cancel it and get your deposit back. Now, don't forget, secure credit cards mean that you have to put money down. So you can go ahead and put $200 on this credit card. Let's go ahead and click apply now and see what's going on with it. But you can put the $200 on this credit card, and you're not going to get your money back until you close the account. But when you close the account, it's going to drop your credit score. So that's why I suggest you all just go ahead and sign up for it. Just put $200 down if you want to. Let's see what they're going to say about the available credit. Yep, just put $200 down on it if you want to, or you can put a little bit more if you want to, but I would just put $200 down, let it boost your credit up some, and then apply for other credit cards. But if you like Rickita, I'd rather keep a balance on it, and I just want the low interest rate, go ahead and get the low interest rate one. You're just paying an extra $20 per year, basically. But I would suggest that you all just pay off your statement balance. So if they say your statement balance is $300, well, you're gonna get $200 credit card. If they say your statement balance is $150, just pay that off on your due date, on or before your due date, and you won't be charged any interest. Like, that's the best thing for you. And if you want to, after you use that credit card, if you want to use it, after you pay it off, if you want to use that credit card again, go ahead and use it again. But just make sure that your statement balance is paid off. You won't be charged any interest. So that's what I suggest for you all. But as you get this credit card and any other secure credit cards, go back to my website, All Things Rickita. Later on today, I'm going to update this. That's my thing for today. I want to update this for you all, because you can see I got the buy now, pay later. I had the credit cards for bad credit. I got the utilization credit cards here. This is if you want the higher limit credit cards. I have the one for personal loans, if you want personal loans. And then if you scroll down, after personal loans, it's going to be a lot of credit cards here that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, such as like the Capital One, Navy Federal, Discover. If you're thinking about getting that First Progress credit card, try to see if you can get these secure ones first. The Capital One, I'm going to make a secure list because I just think that's going to be necessary. I'm going to make a secure list, but by the time you're watching this video, it's not going to be here. So just a warning. But let me kind of point those out to you all now. If you're thinking about getting that First Progress credit card because you need a secure credit card, get that Capital One credit card, the Navy Federal Discover credit card, them secure credit cards first, because like I told you, you're going to keep that Progress credit card for about 2 years. Some people keep it for a year. That's when you're going to get your money back, right? But if you get like a Capital One, Navy Federal, Discover, these ones will actually upgrade. They'll graduate to an unsecured credit card. They'll send your money back and you'll still have that credit card. Like with Navy Federal, I told you put $200 down on that first Progress. If you put $200 down on a Navy Federal credit card in 6 months, and you do what you need to do, let me say that, keep your balance low, pay your bill on time, don't have any new negative accounts in your credit reports, in 6 months, that account is going to upgrade and graduate to a $2,000 credit card. So that's why I want you to try these first. Capital One is going to graduate in about 6 months, and Discover, they say after 6 billing cycles, but wait about 7 or 8 months, and you'll see that one upgrade. And I recently made a video on that Discover, so definitely check that out. And a few other ones. The Open Sky is a secure credit card. You are not going to be able to upgrade that secure credit card, though. But that's still an option for you all. Let me see which other ones we have here. Well, not just even secure. If your credit score is so low that you think you need a secure credit card, try that Credit One Bank, because Credit One Bank will give you a credit card a month after bankruptcy. So try the Credit One Bank. You're going to have an annual fee with them, but at least you can get a credit card without putting money down. You have the Mission Lane. You could try that one. And somebody posted that they started off with $500, I believe, with Mission Lane, and it went all the way up to $1,800 in 10 months. So if you got bad credit, try that Mission Lane still. And it's so many that can pre-qualify you. And pre-qualification means no credit check. It's going to be like that soft pull that you got with First Progress. Only difference is they're going to tell you how much they can give you, or they're even going to tell you if they can give you a credit card. So try all of these first before you even go and try to get that First Progress. First Progress is going to be like the last resort. So you can try to get that Wayfair. You can try the Tumo. Tumo is going to check your bank account, you all. So Tumo right here. Let me keep it at the top just to make it easier. That Tumo credit card, they're going to look into your bank account to see if they can approve you. You have the Apple credit card here. The Apple credit card, they're going to be able to tell you exactly how much they can pre-approve you for. So I like that. You got the American Express that can pre-qualify you. The Credit One Bank, American Express that can pre-qualify you. Look at all of these that can pre-qualify you. The FNBO, the NASA, the Pedal 2, Walgreens, Prosper, Milestone. So it's just so many of them on here that can pre-qualify you all. So try to see if they can pre-qualify you before you just go ahead and jump on that First Progress. Or if you get that First Progress, I want you to come back and check in about 6 months, or you can check sooner if you like. I want you to get 4 credit cards to start to really boost your credit score, but check back in about 6 months to see if any of these credit cards can pre-qualify you, so that you can add other credit cards onto your credit reports, because I don't want you to cancel your credit card with First Progress until you got an approval. Do not cancel it until you have an approval with at least 4 other credit cards. So I want you to have 4 credit cards that's like regular credit cards. They're not secure. They're Visa and MasterCard, and they may have higher limits. If they don't have the higher limits, just wait some and keep asking. And when I say wait some, I would check, as long as you don't get a hard inquiry, I would check every month to see if they can give you an increase. But really around that 6-month mark, keep asking them for an increase. And I still have not changed this Bibs discount. Is Bob's discount. I have to change that later on tonight. But let me know if you all get approved for this. Hopefully this video is helpful. I really like that we added that First Progress, because it's kind of it's similar to that Open Sky one. Where is the Open Sky one again? It's very similar to the Open Sky credit card. And the Open Sky, they can, here it is right here, secure with no credit check. That one is a secure one, and they can give you that without a credit check. And sometimes you need that, like seriously, especially if you file bankruptcy. It's going to be very hard for you to get credit cards, or these good credit cards. You can start off with those, build your credit up. And a lot of people, if they start building their credit up as soon as they get their bankruptcy, as soon as they file and it's added to your credit reports, then their credit score is going to be much higher than people that don't. So definitely check that out. And if you all have any questions, go ahead and drop the questions down in the comments. Remember, I'm answering questions for people that's actually a subscriber. So I try to filter all of my comments just like this, you all. Can you see it? Public subscribers. I am going to filter it this way because I get so many. You see all these I still haven't answered? Oh my God. It's so many. I mean, look, some of these so old. I'm getting to them though, you guys. I'm knocking them out one by one. I'm knocking them out, but I'm going to answer people that's publicly subscribed to me. But I'll definitely see you all in the next video, and hopefully you all have a great day, a great night whenever you're watching this. Let me know if you all get approved in the comments. Bye bye.